Hey guys, welcome back to StayTrue TV. So in today's episode, we're going to try and get this spar outside and into a trailer to go to the in-laws house. So we've worked out that the width of the spar and the width of our doorways are a no-go. So what we're going to do is we're going to have to remove this wall, we're going to have to remove the gate outside there, and hopefully we can tip this up on its side, get the sack truck underneath it, and wheel it on out, get it into the trailer and get it to the in-laws. Let's get into it. Alright guys, we got the spar out of here, and man was it heavy. We've got a big gaping hole to take care of now. I'm not going to be doing that today. Got to do a little bit of research. We bought a couple of books and it's got how to build walls and stuff, so we can have a bit of a read up, get to know what we're doing here, and we'll build a wall and put a proper door in there. Alright guys, so the first thing we're going to have to do, take all the skirting off. You've got to be careful, there's a cable here. That's an exposed cable that runs around the room from one side to the other. What we're going to end up doing with that is we're going to run it behind the skirting boards when the skirting boards go back on. So for starters, let's get into that. Okay guys, for the time being, we've just gone and turned the power off, disconnected that power point from this one. It was just plugged into the back of that plug over there. So it's just 3 screws, pulled 3 wires out that were to this cable that was running around the room, tightened them back up and got it out of our way. Star's just worked out that we don't need to pull the skirting boards at the moment, so we can just pull the carpet straight up. So that's what we're going to do. Aim is to try and get these skirting boards off without damaging them. Alright guys, so we've ripped up the carpet, we've taken the side skirts out. I know we said we weren't going to, but we've decided we needed to anyway because we planned on putting tiles down in here. So the tiles will go down and then the side skirts will be cleaned up and put back on. But let's continue ripping out carpet. room number 2. Complete. Trying to talk Dara into just knocking the top tiles off and going back to its natural beauty. Duke's doing his inspections, making sure that everything's done correctly.
Foreman Duke.
Everything good, mate? Up to your standards? Completed. We'll get back to taking the side skirts off here. Probably tomorrow. I'm trying to get all the carpet out today. It's starting to get late. Last room. Kick the boys out. So we're going to work quick because they got nothing to entertain them. Alright guys. Last room of carpet. Cheeky boy trying to blend himself in with the wood there. Thinks no one knows he's inside. Looking up the hallway. All the bedrooms. Done. Not looking forward to this bit here. Let's see if we can find it here. So this is the kitchen. This will probably be a tomorrow job. We are running out of time. You can see there's like a wood underlay here, and it looks like it's pinned down pretty well. I had a bit of a hack at it just before, and she's pretty solid. But I reckon we're gonna have to take that all the way out. Get it all out. Otherwise, we're gonna have a big lip in the tiles. You don't want that. Guys, it's getting late, so we're going to call it a day. We'll be back here tomorrow to do a bit more.
Hey guys, so I've come to the house by myself this morning. It's quite early, 6 a.m. actually. I've left Glenn at home sleeping. He had a pretty heavy night in the shed trying to get his other jobs done. Obviously with working on another machine and then trying to do house renovations during the day and kids running through the house while we're trying to work. It's quite tiring. So I've come here to let him have a bit of a rest up. I brought Spencer with me. 3 kids together can be a bit... So I took one out of the equation and I'm hoping that the other 2 stay home, behave, be quiet until he can, get himself together and come over and give me a hand. So we're going to do the floors here in the old kitchen, which will be we have found that it's quite tedious yesterday, just giving a little bit of a tap just to see how we go. It's going to be a big job to do this room. Again, it's 6 a.m. I can't make too much noise, so I've got to do everything by hand, so I'm going to give it a good old chisel. I'll show you what I'm about to do. So this is the lino that's in here, like a lino tile, like I'm not 100% sure. So if we look right down, this is the jarrah floor here. This is some sort of a backing, like I think it's one of those concrete sheetings. Not concrete, but you know, whatever that is. And then you've got the glue down, you know, lino tile on top. So I've got to get as much of this off as I can without moving any cupboards, because this kitchen can stay here for now because it's cooking us lunch. That was really hard work. This section here is glued straight onto wood, so I'll wait for Clint because I don't really know what I'm doing. There we go.
What's up, guys? So you would have seen the video of Dara doing all the flooring. What a good job she's done. I looked at some of the footage just before and it looked envious. I'm glad I was sleeping. Anyway, so we've decided today we're gonna try and get rid of this wall here and open this area back up. At the moment, we're just pretty much trying to do what we can do for the cost of nothing to get the house prepped for getting into it. And this wall is one of those things. We've had the builder check it out. We don't need any structural supports or anything put in the roof for this one, as this wall here is not actually structural. This one here is a structural wall, and that wall over there is a structural wall. This one here is just being put in the mix, so we can actually take this down ourselves. So I'm just removing this door hanger. We're going to start pulling back some wood covering. I believe there's insulation behind here, so we'll be removing that and then knocking down the framework. Alright guys, so we've managed to get the wall down, we managed to get rid of the spar, we managed to get rid of the floor. The house is looking completely different. This place alone in here is looking so much larger. You walk in from the old kitchen there and walk into here, and it's astronomically different. Like, you walk in and it's just open. It's really cool. So guys, Dara and I have been having a bit of a debate. I want to do a bit of a reveal for you guys to let you know what's coming up in the house and stuff, where rooms are and how everything's going to be laid out when we're done, what our vision is. But Dara kind of wants to keep it a secret. So we've come up to the conclusion that what we're going to do is we're going to leave it up to the viewers. So if you guys would like to see what our vision is for this house, comment in the comment box below, let us know. If you think we should just keep it as it is and just give it a secret and reveal it as we go, comment down below also. So the higher the votes, the higher the comments, is what's going to make the decision in the end for us to which way we're going to go with the video. Alright?
Reveal or secret squirrel.
That's right. So, anyway, don't forget, hit the like button. If you're not subscribed already, subscribe to the channel, hit the bells, get the notifications for upcoming videos, and we'll catch you next time. Stay safe.